Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Triyuda Akmal. I'm from Bogor and I'm a student in English Education Department at UIN Sunan Gunung Jati University in Bandung. And now I'm a sixth semester. So, in this video, I wanna answer, or I wanna answer several questions about global English. So, this is a midterm from global English in LT subject. I have several questions. It's about global English in LT, and it's from six group, and each group different topic, but I wanna uh, answer or explain uh, about the question from each group. Okay, let's move to the group one. So I choose the question from the group one. The first question is about what are the benefits of teaching global English in LT, and what are challenges my teacher face when implementing global English in LT. So the first question is about what are the benefits of teaching global English in ELT. Of course, teaching global English in ELT has many benefits, right? So one of the benefit is it prepares student to communicate with English speaker from all around the world. So it's one benefit. So, and not just native speaker, and it also build cultural understanding and help a student feel confident using different English varieties without pressure to sound perfect. So that's uh, one of the benefit of teaching global English in LT. Actually, there are many benefits from teaching global English in LT, and yeah, that's one of the benefit. Can maybe one things that uh, benefit of teaching LT is it can promote cultural awareness and sensitivity. Okay, let's move to the second question from the group one. What are challenges might a teacher face when implementing global English in LT? So, however, teachers may face challenges, or of course, there are any challenges that teacher face when they implementing global English in LT. So, the first challenges is teacher might not have enough material that include global varieties of English, and student may prefer learning native English model, and teacher themselves may need more training to teach global English effectively. So that are the challenges teacher might face when they implementing global English and NLP. So maybe I can retell but the challenges there are many challenges also that will be teacher face when they implementing global English in LT, like lack of teaching material and difficulty in balancing different English norms, and teacher own lack of training, like I said before. Okay, that are the question from the group one. I choose the question, and let's move to the group two, the second group. I mean, yeah, I choose the question also from the group two. The first question is what are the main influences of development of the English language? Okay, the English language developed because of many influences like invasion, such as the Viking and Normans, contact with other languages like Latin and French, and later globalization and technology. So I think technology globalization is the biggest influence that development of the English language, because in many country, technology is in the product, and also the product and the technology, it's using English language. So that are the main in I think, and that are is the main influence that can development of the English language. And the second question from the group 2 of our from the second group is, what are some key features of Old English and how did it differ from modern English? Okay, Old English was very different from modern English. It had more complex grammar system and many inflection. Its vocabulary was mostly Germanic, and it sounded almost like a different language. But modern English is a simpler and has many words from Latin, French, and other language. So the key feature of English language and how it different from modern English, and the key feature is Old English had become complex grammar, and vocabulary was mainly Germanic, and pronunciation and spelling were very different. Old English sound almost like a different language, and modern English has simpler grammar and much larger vocabulary influenced by Latin, French, and other language. Okay, that are two questions from the second group. Let's move to the third group. So the first question from the third group is, what are the main factors that contribute to language change? Okay, language change mainly because of contact with other culture, new technology, social change like migration, and natural evolution over time. Okay, that are the main factor that contribute to change. Okay, and technological also is the main factor that contribute to language change, and social change and nature evolution in pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary over time. So that are the main factor that contribute to language change. So move to the second question from the third group is, what is the differences between language change and language variation? Okay. Okay guys, the differences between language change and language variation is that language change happens over time, while language variation happen at the same time across different place and groups. For example, Old English changed into modern English, but today American and British English are variation. So that are the differences between language change and language variation. Okay, from the fourth group. Okay, the first question from the fourth group is, what are the benefits of English being global language? Okay, English as a global language has many benefits. Yeah, right. So maybe the one of the benefit is it makes international communication easier in business, education, and travel, and it also gives people access to information and chance to work together worldwide. So I think the main benefit from the main benefits being a global language is makes international communication easier in business, education, and travel. That is the biggest or the bigger benefit of English being a global language. And the second question from the fourth group is, what are some challenges associated with English as a global language? Uh, there are challenges, of course. So, one of the challenges is native English speaker may have an unfair advantage, and smaller language might start to disappear. And also, different English varieties can cause misunderstanding. So that are the challenges associated with English as a global language. Okay, now move to the fifth group. Okay, there are two questions also. The first question is, what is the differences between dialect and a language? Of course, a dialect and a language is different. Dialect is a version of language used by a particular group, and while a language is a bigger system that might include many dialects, sometimes the difference is more political and linguistic. Okay, it's the differences between dialect and language. So, language is a bigger system that might include many dialects. So, dialect is included in language. Okay, so the language is include many dialect also. So, uh, actually there is have a relationship, but that are different. Okay, the second question from the fifth group is, what are some challenges of communicating across native speaker varieties? Communicating across different native English varieties can be hard. Okay, so it will be the challenges because pronunciation, slang, and idiom can cause confusion. So that is will make us feel confused. So there might also be biases against certain action or way of speaking. Okay, the different accents it will be the challenges also of communicating across native speaker varieties. Okay, let's move to the last group from the sixth group. The first question that I choose is, what are some benefits of recognizing and valuing new Englishes? Recognizing and valuing new Englishes is important because it shows respect for English speakers from different backgrounds, and it also matches the real diversity of English used today and helps non-native speakers feel empowered. Okay, that is my answer from the first question. So the last question is, what are some challenges associated with the spread of New English? Challenges associated with the spread of New Englishes. Okay, there are challenges, of course. One of the challenges is teacher may find it hard to set a clear standard, and there are could be misunderstandings due to different grammar or vocabulary. And some people may also resist accepting new English. Okay, guys, maybe that's all. I have finished answer the question from six groups, and especially totally I have answer 12 question, right? Because from the each group is two question. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much. Sorry if there are any mistake from me. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.